Hello. Today you will be taking the Lab Safety Quiz. Directions. Match each definition with the vocabulary word in the word bank. Place the letter of the word in the blank beside the correct definition. Underline your keywords to help you. This is the word bank. A. Precaution. B. Waft. C. Volume. And D. Weight. Number 1. Steps taken by a student to be safe in the science lab. Number 2. The way to smell things in a science lab. It is done by cupping your hand and fanning the smell towards your nose. Number 3. Amount of space something takes up. Number 4. Measurement of the effect of gravity on an object's mass. It is measured with a scale. Word Bank 2. E. Mass. F. Hazard. G. Meniscus. Number 5. The curved surface of a liquid. Number 6. A measurement of the amount of matter in something. It is measured with the triple beam or a pan balance. Number 7. A danger in the science lab that should be reported to the teacher. Read the question and choose the best answer. Number 8. Which student is properly dressed for lab? A. Backpack, loose t-shirt. B. Sandals, baggy clothing. Or C. Closed-toed shoes, tied back hair. Number 9. In which of the following investigations would safety gloves be useful? A. Rolling cars down a ramp to investigate motion. B. Working with unknown liquids. Or C. Using a mirror and a flashlight to study reflection. Number 10. A group of 5th grade students were learning about volcanic eruptions. The activity called for baking soda and vinegar. Which of the following tools should the students use to be safe? A. B. Or C? Number 11. Which of the tools below should be used to accurately measure 250 milliliters of water? A. B. Or C? Number 12. Measure the amount of liquid in the graduated cylinder below and record the measurement. This is your graduated cylinder, and you're going to circle the correct measurement. 20 milliliters, 21 milliliters, or 22 milliliters. Number 13. What tool measures the mass of objects in grams? A. Graduated cylinder. B. Triple beam balance. Or C. Microscope. Number 14. What is the length of the shell to the nearest centimeter? Here is the shell and here is the ruler. A. 3 centimeters. B. 3 millimeters. Or C. 32 centimeters. Number 15. Students are mixing an unknown solution. The teacher tells them to follow lab safety rules. The following practices should be observed except A. Wafting the air to smell the solution, B. Wearing protective equipment, or C. Tasting the solution. Please make sure that you have answered every one of the questions, and thank you for doing your best on your quiz.